Hey guys, it's Anna, and today I wanted to show you how to sign into your new GCPS Premium Zoom account for the first time. If you've already gone into it, you may still want to go through these steps just to make sure that you're really in your new account, that's your premium account, because it has additional features that you won't have in a personal account. So the first thing I would suggest is that you go to zoom.com and see if you are signed in on Zoom. So I see when I go to zoom.com or zoom.us, it shows up here, my account. That tells me I probably am signed in. So I'm going to click on my account. It's very slow. And there we go. There we go. Click on myself and choose sign out. Okay. So that's the first thing. If you're signed in on the website, go ahead and sign out. The next thing you want to do is see if you have the Zoom app installed on your computer. One trick that you can do when you click on this start menu down here, the Windows menu, you can search for something by just starting to type it. I know there's no search box there, but if you just start to type, it'll pop up. So I do have it installed. You're going to go ahead and click that to open it. I already have it opened here, and look to see if you're signed in. If it looks like this with the little plant thing with the time, that means you're signed in. Or if you see your face here. So I'm going to click on my face and look, it says basic. So that's my personal account. And I'm going to go here and sign out. So when it brings up this sign in screen, then I know I've signed out. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is, now that I've signed out of everything in Zoom, I'm going to go to my employee portal and click on that new Zoom button. Now, at this point, you may see a screen that looks like this. Most of you will, in which case you will click on the sign in button to sign you in. Some of you, when you click that sign in button, will get a message that says confirm email. That means that when you signed up for Zoom in the spring, you used your same school email address that they've used to sign up for our new accounts, and that's okay because that's what you were supposed to do. But it'll say confirm email. You'll click to agree to that, go over to your email. You'll have an email from Zoom, and you'll need to click the link in the email from Zoom agreeing that you want to sync those two accounts together, your old account with your new account. Unfortunately, I can't walk you through that because I didn't have one of those old accounts, but that's how you'll do that. It'll walk you through some steps after you go and click on that link in your email. So once you've clicked on sign in, you'll end up in your premium account here. If I click on myself here, you'll notice next to my name, it has my GCPS email address and it says licensed. That's what you're looking for to know that you're in the paid account, because that has more features. My suggestion to you would be that when you're ready to do your Zoom meetings with your students, you use the schedule a meeting button. And go ahead and set the time and date for the first time you want to meet with them. And then I would use it as a recurring meeting. And it'll let you repeat your meeting through the end of September. However, if you look down here, see this box that says enable join before host is unchecked. You want to leave that unchecked. What that means is you can go ahead and schedule all these Zoom meetings and provide the link to your students, and they won't be able to get in the room without you. They'll have to wait for you to start the meeting. So you can go ahead and schedule a meeting for each period, make it recurring, share that link, and it'll be the same link every time until the end of that recurring period. So I would do a first period link, a second period link, a third period link, just to keep things clean and keep students separate in your classes. But go ahead and set up that meeting in advance, and then the link won't change. You won't have to go in and put in a new link every day for your students. Another thing about scheduling a meeting instead of just going in and starting one like on the fly right now is that scheduling a meeting allows you to use polling, which is like taking a quick survey. And you cannot do that if you just go to host a meeting and start a meeting that way. So make sure you schedule your meetings ahead of time. Hopefully this was a quick tutorial about how to get started. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.